Have you ever heard of affiliate marketing and sales? It's a performance-based marketing strategy that rewards affiliates for driving sales. In other words, affiliates earn a commission for promoting someone else's product. Affiliate marketing is a rapidly growing industry, generating billions in revenue. To be successful, you need to choose the right products and promote them effectively. One effective strategy is to build a loyal following and provide value to your audience. Another is to leverage social media and create compelling content. Ultimately, success in affiliate marketing and sales comes down to hard work and dedication. So, are you ready to take on the world of affiliate marketing and sales?